Don't turn, baby. Your tire is... Oh, wait. He's telling you to turn. Now go for it.
Okay.
Go.
I've never been here.
They usually don't have people guiding you in at the other car wash.
Okay. Okay. No brake.
Roll up your window.
My neutral's kind of fast.
I think because they have those things underneath. They glide that moves your car.
Okay. Have you ever seen that Final Destination where the girl dies in the car wash?
Yeah, I think I've seen that one. I think I have that movie at home.
Maybe that's why I've never been to a car wash like this.
Yeah, Final Destination be messing up everybody. That's why I don't drive behind big trucks that's moving logs or any type of diesel truck. Ooh, it smells like bubble gum. Doesn't it smell like bubble gum?
Yeah.
You said no brake.
I'm not on the brakes.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, never mind. I know what it's doing.
It's not creepy to you?
No, it's not creepy. You know what? When I was a little kid, I was afraid of the car wash when I was like 3 or 4 years old. Because I used to think the little brushes was coming after me.
Right.
And like, well, I grew out of it, but up until, I don't know, I was always nervous going into the car wash, but I wasn't crying about it. But I remember crying about it. My grandma was trying to hold me. Yeah. But I know up until I was like around 8 or 9 years old, I used to get nervous every time I go to a car wash. One of the automated ones like this. Automatic or automatic, whatever it's called.
Right. Yeah, I just use the hose. No, really.
Now that's something you do on a hot summer day when you don't have nothing to do. Like you pull your car out into your driveway, get some soap, and get the water hose, get some old sponges and rags, and go ham, and you have a cookout.
We're free to go.
Yep, we are free to go.